How to use Follow Me mode in Capsule360. First, mount your Capsule360 onto your tripod. Then, put your smartphone onto your Capsule360, or put your camera onto your Capsule360 and your smartphone onto your camera. After that, power your device on. Now, open the Capsule360 mobile app. Finally, connect your device and choose the Follow Me mode from the menu. Follow Me mode is designed to use your smartphone in landscape mode. You can record the video in your smartphone with or without voice by using the microphone button. By using the Save Video button, you can define whether the video will be recorded in your smartphone or not. If you use your DSLR to record the video, then you can turn it off. The rotation button allows you to switch between front and rear camera. You can achieve better results when you use the rear camera. You can switch between face tracking and object tracking modes with a single click. In the object tracking mode, you should draw a box around a subject on screen to define the object. Unlike the object tracking mode, face tracking mode recognizes the face and highlights it on the screen automatically. By pressing the Start button, Capsule360 moves to keep the tracked object in the middle of the screen. And that's it. It's all so easy to do.